Hello there, how are you today? Don't worry, I'll help you to relax, okay? I see you have been a little bit stressed. Okay, so I think I could measure your face and help you relax. Do you like that? Perfect. So, let me just take this and we can start. This is very cute and very little, and this has all the measurements there. Yes, so please just stay still there, relax, and leave everything on my hands. Great. And let's measure here. Great. I think this is very relaxing, right? Yeah, I'm going to use the measurements to make a little something for you later. Okay? Great. I'm going to measure here in your nose. Your beautiful nose. And like this too. One more time, and I'm going to take some notes. Do you mind if I take some notes? That's okay. Great. So let me write everything here. Okay. So first, your beautiful nose and the length of your face. Great. And then let's measure your forehead too. Here. Good. One more time, just to be sure. And like this. A little bit higher. Okay. Let me do it one more time. Okay. And here. Great. Okay. So the measurements of your forehead, beautiful forehead. Right. I won't tell you what I'm going to do. It's a surprise, okay? Then I think I'm going to check eyes and your mouth. So look at me, please. Okay, here. Amazing. And like this. Perfect. And like this. Both eyes. Wonderful. And mouth. Like this first. Good. Here. Good. A little bit on the sides. Amazing. Here. Okay. Perfect. And like this. So I need you to smile for me. Great. That big smile. Good. One more time. Good. The last one. Beautiful face of my dear friend. So left eye, right eye, and both eyes and your mouth. Like this, like that, and like this, and like that. Okay, I'm going to measure your chin, like your jaw to your chin. Okay, so I need to measure here on the side a bit, on the side a bit, there. One more time, just to be sure. Right, the side a bit. Amazing. And on this side too. Let me just measure here. Great. Perfect. On this side. On this side. Your chin. Okay. Here. Okay. And here. Okay. One more time. Here. Okay. Here. Okay. And here. Okay. I like this. Here. Good. Perfect. Okay. So, your jaw, left, this, right, like that, chin, like these 3 measurements, that's okay. And to finish, let me just check everything one more time. Okay, so you'll be more relaxed, right? Here, the length of your beautiful face. Good, I think it's okay. 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 The side. The other side. One more time. Perfect. Like this. That's okay. Perfect. Great. And your forehead too. Okay. Great. Like this. Your face is very symmetric. Yes, that's a good thing. Nose. This good. Like this. Good. Perfect. And like that. One more time. Amazing. Your mouth. Like this. Okay. 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 Great. Jaw and chin. Good. Here on the side of your beautiful face. Good. And here on the other side of your beautiful face. Okay. And chin. And like this. This, this, and like this. Perfect. Your eyes, and we are done. The other eye. And like this. Your beautiful eyes. Great. Amazing. Okay. So, I think I have everything for a beautiful gift for you. And I hope you are more relaxed now. Yes, this will be great. So, now please close your beautiful, beautiful eyes and try to sleep, okay? I'll be here for you if you need me to help you relax again. Great. So, see you next time, okay? Bye bye. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you still can't sleep, please check out these videos.